Now we want to compute the inside level. So therefore, we will create a quadratic average of inputs 1 and 2. We rename the label as L1, and then we click OK. As you can see, a new result is displayed called L1. We will now create a decibel comparison operator to compute the level difference between the inside level, L1, and the outside level, L2. We rename the label as L1-L2 and click on OK. A new result window is displayed. Now we create exactly the same operators for the spectra window. First, a quadratic average of the inputs 1 and 2, naming the operator also L1. And then a decibel comparison to compute the level difference between L1 and L2, also named L1-L2.